Hi guys, in this YouTube video I will show you how to install GameMode. It's a software that will improve the performance of your Linux machine to play video games. Here it will improve I/O priority, process niceness, kernel scheduler, screensaver inhibiting, and GPU performance mode and overclocking. GameMode is a package created by Feral Interactive. It is a game studio that ports games to Linux. This is why GameMode will be automatically enabled on their games. But it is also possible to install it on all the games that you want. Here you also have an extension for GNOME Shell to enable or disable GameMode. Here, the project page as I showed you, the GNOME extension. Now, with the newest version of Linux Mint 21 and Ubuntu 22.04, GameMode is already in the repositories, so you don't need to configure custom PPA. Here, let's install GameMode, the standard one. Also GameMode daemon and GameMode libraries. Enter. GameMode is already installed. The newest version 1.6, it is good. You can also install GameMode x86 if you plan on playing all the 32-bit games. To make a game run with GameMode enhancement, type GameMode 1, the name of the game, for example. Now I launch the game subtitles with GameMode enhancement. Otherwise, if you want the game to always be run with GameMode add-on, edit the configuration file of the desktop entry for the game, for example here. Let's edit user share applications. This is the directory where you can find all of your program, the software installed by you. Let's edit subtitles2.desktop. I don't have it to edit. You can also use Nano or VI command line editor. Let's go down to exec, write GameMode at the beginning and later the name of your software. Save ctrl+O, ctrl+H to exit. And now every time we start the game, it will be run with enhanced GameMode. It was GameMode 1, not simply GameMode. Now start the game. Here the game will always use game mode. And this was how to use game mode on Linux Mint 21, Ubuntu 22.04 and Debian 11.4. See you later, guys.